Britain, lose Igbos and let them go. Britain, United Kingdom, if our ancestors, if our forefathers know that their children is going to suffer what we are passing today in Nigeria, they will not allow you people to colonize them. There is nothing like one Nigeria in this nation. United Kingdom, if our ancestors, if our forefathers know that their children is going to suffer from this one Nigeria, they will not permit you to colonize them. Look at what we are suffering. All the tribe, you join them together as one Nigeria. And Igbos travel all over Nigeria, developing some places, building their businesses, building shops, building their houses. They thought that we are one Nigeria, but they don't know that we are not one Nigeria. During the Biafran War, after Biafran War, some of the Igbos' houses in North, in all the properties of Igbos, all the properties that belongs to Igbos in different parts of Nigeria was seized. Because they believe in one Nigeria. But they don't know there is nothing like one Nigeria in this nation. Look at this election. Look at this election that is going on in Nigeria. Look at how they are burning the shops of Igbo in different tribes in Nigeria. They are burning their shop in Lagos. They are burning their shop in Meduguri. They are burning their shop in different parts of Nigeria. Because they will deceive our ancestors. We believe that we are one Nigeria, but unknown to us that we are not one Nigeria. They are burning their shop, beating them. Because they are under slave. They cannot rule Nigeria. During the Biafra War, United Kingdom helped Nigeria, save Nigeria with them. They massacre millions of Igbos. United Kingdom, is it abomination that our ancestors receive you in our land to colonize us? Now you colonize us, you put us under bondage since you join us together. They will not allow Igbo man to less in Nigeria. They will not allow them to lose. They will not allow them to have their Biafra. United Kingdom, why are you suffering us in this Nigeria? Born to lose are born to serve. Igbos are born to serve. Other tribes are born to lose. Igbos are born to serve because they are into bondage. Britain have deceived Igbos. If our ancestors know, if our forefathers know that we are going to, that their children is going to suffer this thing that we are suffering in Nigeria, they will not permit Britain to colonize us. They will not permit Britain to join us together, one Nigeria. If our ancestors know that their children is going to suffer this thing in the hand of Britain, they will not allow Britain to colonize us. Britain, United Kingdom, leave us alone. During the Biafran War, United Kingdom, you send weapons to Nigeria to slaughter millions of Igbos. Igbos are black Jews in Africa. But Britain do not want Igbos to have their less. Britain do not want Igbos to have freedom on their own in Nigeria. Britain, lose Igbos and let them go. United Kingdom, lose Igbos and let them go. They will not become the president of Nigeria. They are born to serve. They will not become the president of Nigeria. They will not have less in Nigeria. They are burning their shop in different tribes of Nigeria. Yellow Bars and House and Flanis. They will not allow them to less. To give them Biafra. No. United Kingdom, leave Igbos alone. Lose them and let them go. You made them to become born to serve in Nigeria. They are born to serve. They are slaves in Nigeria. But United Kingdom, Britain, if you don't want to lose Igbos, God Almighty that created heaven and earth, we lose them, then we go. Because no kingdom will challenge God. It's only God that will help the Igbos in Nigeria. United Kingdom, Britain, God Almighty will judge you people for what you people have done to Igbos in this country, Nigeria.